take your piece of origami paper and fold it in a triangle, like so. And then you're going to fold it in a triangle again, the opposite direction. And then you're going to open it up. Because what you're trying to do is find the center of your paper, which is right here. You're then going to take your top flap of your triangle and fold it to the center. You're going to repeat the same on the other 4 corners of your paper. Now, as you're folding, it doesn't have to be perfectly even, but you want to try to get it as even as you can to make sure that your lotus flower turns out good. Then you're going to take your other corner and bring it to the center again as well. You're going to continue with all your other corners by folding them to the center of your paper. Remember, they don't have to be perfectly even, but you want to try to get them as even as possible and give yourself nice deep creases. Because when you fold and open your origami lotus, it will be easier for you to open. You're then going to do it one more time. You're going to take that top corner and fold it to the center of your paper again, like so. You're going to do that with every single corner. And as you see, mine is not exactly perfect, but don't worry, it should work out okay. If you're concerned with it not looking good, you can always go back into it and adjust your fold. Next thing you're going to do is turn it over the back side. You're going to take this corner here and fold it to the center of your square. Now these folds will be much more difficult to do because the smaller your paper becomes, the harder it is to fold the paper. So once you have all the pieces folded back, you're then going to turn it over, and it has these little flaps here. You're going to take your finger, put it inside the little flap, make sure you pinch the back, and turn it inside out. Like so. This is how we make the petals of the lotus flower. Give it a little tug, and that's the first step of your lotus flower origami. Then you'll see you have more of these little flaps on the back. You're going to do the same exact thing, but you're going to be putting your thumb right here and here and pulling open your petals that way. Your head around and pop your petals open. And then your last petals are these guys. Maybe I just open it like this. And there you have a beautiful lotus.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.